Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money by creating logos, but don't worry, you won't be needing any photo editing skills. Yes, so it's basically creating logos with these two websites that I'm going to show you, plus you can outsource it. That's the third way and an extra way, and the third way and the third platform that I'm going to show you is the platform where we are going to make money and you actually are going to sell these logos that you are going to make. Yes, so let me, before we get into the video, draw it so that you fully understand how this works. We are going to go to a site. Yes, we're going to this site called now I'm going to show you these two sites, these three sites, and here we're going to create the logos. I'm sorry, my drawing skills are very bad. Here we're going to create the logos, and then when we create the logos, we're going to Fiverr.com. This is the website that we're going to sell them. And here on Fiverr, we are going to sell them, and then obviously you make money. Yes, it's as simple as that. Don't worry, you don't have to use Photoshop to make these logos. This is a very ugly arrow, by the way. But yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just make the logos. Yes, you don't worry, the logos are very good quality. It's not like these web pages make very poor logos. That's not the case here. I always bring you quality, guys, and these pages are very good quality, and they provide you with very good tailor-made logos. Yes, so before we get into the video, if you want more content like this, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification icon so that you get notified when I release a new video, and make sure to stay until the end. Yes, so that you fully understand how to make this method, and you obviously, once you watch the video, you know how to start applying it. Yes, so without further ado, let's get into the actual video, guys. So guys, let's get into the video. So well, I have drawn the explanation. Now it's time to take action. Yes, let me clear this. Now, the first website that is going to help us create logos, it's called brandcrowd.com. Yes, so here, as you can see, I input a name called Pacho, a business name called Pacho, but it was just for demonstration purposes. Let me go back and actually show you how it works. But here below you can see that they have an explanation telling you how it works. Let's click on that. And well, this is a video. Let me play that video so that you fully understand how this works, and then I'm going to show you myself.
Do you need a logo design? On BrandCrowd, you can make a logo online in minutes. Browse over 5,000 high-quality logos and edit the design instantly before you download. Try BrandCrowd today, the world's best online logo design maker. Click now to get started. It's free to try.
Well, as you see, the explanation video is very short, but it's because it's pretty easy to use. Yes, you just input your business name, any business name that you may have written down before. But there are actually, if you watch all of my videos, you know that I recommended once a site that helps you create logos or business names. Now in this case I'm not going to show that site because I myself don't remember that site, but I remember that I mentioned it in a video, but I don't remember the name. Yes, actually I have a business name, and let's, for example, input the Affiliate Hustler. So maybe I can use a logo for my next videos. So let's go to create logos. And here you can see that it creates various models or various logos depending on what your business niche is. For example, this would be a good logo for someone that does laws. Yes, who is a lawyer. For example, for a judge. I don't know, for a business firm, for a law firm. Sorry. There are various. They have various customizable logos, but let's actually you can filter by logo styles, you can filter by font styles, and you can filter by colors. Yes, now let me show you by keyword. For example, let's do marketing, and it will create the business name will be the Affiliate Hustler, but it will input and it will filter the logos which have more a marketing design or style. Yes, so let's go to create logos, and as you can see, it obviously used the business name, but now with the keyword marketing, meaning it filtered out the logo styles which were not in the marketing style or in the marketing design. But as you can see there are various good designs for marketing. Well, not this one, not this one, and yeah, certainly not this one. These are very good for, I don't know, a supermarket. These two, maybe these two. Let's look for something else. This is a great one, but yeah, if you don't like the fonts, you can also shape by, you can also filter by font styles. Yes, for example, let's put bold style and let's go to create logos, and yeah, it's just pretty much the same. This one is a good one, but let's filter now by color, because I don't like this type of color. Let's click on yellow. That's the color of my logo, where it's more like a yellow orange feel. But yeah, now here for myself, for my brand, I'm not seeing a logo that suits my brand. Maybe you are saying like a logo that can suit your brand, but here I'm not finding that for me. But maybe if you just go through all the pages, you can certainly find some logos that can suit you. Yes, this one is a very great logo. For example, for me, if I could edit, for example, the colors, and I could suit my brand colors, this could be a good logo for me. So you have a lot of great logo ideas, for example, here on BrandCrowd. And once you choose your logo, let's choose this one, and then you just click on customize. You can download right away here on the upper right corner. Let's dismiss this, and then obviously you can edit this if you don't like this. Oh, this is great, you can edit the colors as you want. So this suits me very, very great. Maybe I could use this logo for the future. This gave me an idea, but this was one logo creator. Let's go to the second one, and this is, in my opinion, better than brandcrowd.com, and this is called Tailor Brands. Now it works the same. You just import the business name. Let's go by the same name, which is my brand, the Affiliate Hustler. And as you can see, these are very high quality logos. Yes, this means that you can go to Fiverr.com and sell them, and this is how we are going to make money. Yes, now let's in the industry, I'm going to put marketing, digital marketing. This is in Spanish. It's here, it's saying, oh, let me change to English. Here it says icon based, tailor brand, name based or initial based. This is it divides it on three logo types. You can choose icon based, tailor brand, by name based, or initial based, which is the main element of your logo design, the initials. But let's go with icon based, and here it will ask you to choose an icon for marketing. Let's go with there are various logos here that are very appealing. So let's go with this one. I like this one. Let's go to next, and here it will start asking you what type of fonts do you like, and you will have to filter out. Here I'd say I dislike both. I like this one. I dislike both. I dislike both. This one, I dislike both. You'll have just to filter out, and then it will start suiting your perfect logo. And let's wait. based on what you inputted, it will create your logo. Yes, so let's look what it made. Oh, okay. So this is the logo it made. This logo is pretty ugly, if you ask me. But maybe this one can be a good logo. Maybe, like, you have various logos to see here. But yeah, if I chose the two, between the two, I would stay with BrandCrowd because it made more professional logos. I'm not saying that these are not professional logos, but they lack something. And then once you have your logo, yes, either if you make it on BrandCrowd or Tailor Brands, you just go to Fiverr, create an account, and go to become a seller. Yes, and then you will have to start selling. You will have to create your gig. You will say obviously that you sell logos. Yes, you have to say that you are a designer, whatever. Just I will only show you the logo design gigs that are on Fiverr, and just to have a margin of what you can charge. Yes, so as you can see, you can charge all the way from $50 to $200. Yes, on Fiverr, if you are a good good logo designer. Yes, and as you can see, many of these people are not doing their logos themselves. These people, more of them, or the majority, are doing what I am telling you. Yes, for example, as you can see, this guy, yes, this logo, you can see that has a pretty similar style to this one. So that's very suspicious. If you analyze all the logos that are in here, maybe they are not making their logos. So you can get a piece of the pie and start making money in this niche too. Yes. Now, if you like this video, please comment on the section below, like it, and obviously remember to watch other of my video, guys. And I will be seeing you till next video, guys.